Now it's got a nice sourdough smell, so I'm going to add that starter dough. And I'm going to keep some starter dough and continue to feed it, but instead of feeding it once a day, I'm going to put it in the fridge, so I only have to feed it once a week until I need it again. Alright, so it's pulled away from the sides, and it's been in the mixer for about a little over 10 minutes, and so you can clearly see it's pulled away. So now I'm going to leave it in this bowl. I'm just going to pull it off the dough hook, separate it out into 2 loaves, and we'll cover these and let these rise for a couple hours. Okay, so I redid the bread. I'll get down here where you can kind of see. You can see it's risen a lot better this time. Last time, that's what I baked, didn't really rise good enough, so I left it out longer. But I used a different recipe. Well, not much of a different recipe, but what I did is I took my starter dough and had it fill a complete jar, and once it was full, then I separated it out into 3 jars, and then I grew the starter dough in those 3 jars, and then I just mixed it in the mixer, and I just added enough flour to thicken it up, and that was it. Put the salt in there, put the sugar, the 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and I let this rise a little bit longer, and it's done a much better job. It's at least, well, more than doubled. I don't know, maybe double from the size, but it looks like it's a little bit more than doubled in size. Hot. Yeah, it looks like it rose pretty good. It's where the butter was. It drained down on this one. I didn't add butter to the other one. But much better. Double the size of the one I made yesterday. So I'll cut into these in a minute and try them out. Alright, well that cooked up good. It's still really hot, but nice, and it rose really good. Haven't cut into this one yet, but it was smaller, so I know it rose, doubled in size.